how to withdraw Worldcoin to OKX. So let me show you how to do it step by step. After you open the OKX app like this, go to this receive button or deposit. So from this option, so now tap on this search and search for WLD like this. So now here is Worldcoin, select it. Now select the address, the network, and tap on this copy button to copy the address. After you copy the address, now go back and open up now go and open the Worldcoin app. After you open the Worldcoin app like this now, just tap on this option, tap on this wallet. From this wallet, go to this three dot. So go to withdraw. So from this option now, if you have any amount of Worldcoin you want to withdraw, you'll be able to find the Worldcoin like this. After you tap on the Worldcoin, just paste in the address and specify the amount and tap on withdraw button. From there, the Worldcoin will be sent into your OKX account. And that's it, guys.